We have Kannada stars meeting with Chief Minister Siddaramaiah at his residence. Sandalwood sexual assault probe demand. Now we're looking at the actors within the Kannada film industry coming together, including Chetan, Neetu Shetty, Shruti Hariharan, who are currently at Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's residence to be meeting him, asking for a committee to be set up within Karnataka to probe sexual harassment allegations that may be against any of the actors there. In fact, they want the industry to be a safe working space for women. We're looking at Shruti Hariharan, Chetan, actors who are very well known in their own right, who've been working within the Kannada film industry for years, asking for a thorough cleanup. Anaga joining us for more on that. Anaga, please take it away. Going to try and patch Anaga's connection for the moment. We see that Sandalwood actors that include Shruti Hariharan, Chetan. In fact, Shruti Hariharan has worked across industries. She's worked in Tamil, she's worked in Malayalam, she's worked in the Kannada film industry as well extensively. In fact, very recently, Shruti Hariharan had raised Me Too allegations against the famous star Arjun Sarja, and that case went on with the Karnataka police finally giving a closure report in the case. Of course, at this point, Shruti Hariharan has not spoken about that case so far before the media, but it appears she's now resurfaced, asking for a committee to be formed to probe sexual assault, sexual harassment, sexual misconduct allegations against the actors. Now, Anaga joining us for more on that. Anaga, we're looking at these images coming in of actors meeting Siddaramaiah at his residence, asking for a committee to be set up. Is there any pending sexual assault allegation against any actor that they are particularly directing this towards? Or is this just a generic, investigation into the industry to ensure that women are safe, they have a safe working environment? Is this precautionary measure that they want a committee to be set up, or some cases that are pending that needs to be investigated?
Well, Nabila, with the actors that we spoke to, they are saying that a lot of actors do want to raise their voices, but they do fear that their career being stamped on if they come in front of the camera and open up. So what they really want to do is that they want the Chief Minister to set up an independent committee headed by a retired judge in order to probe, so that a lot more skeletons do tumble out of the closet, is what they're hearing from the actors. They are stating that cases of sexual harassment is very much prevalent in the Sandalwood industry, just like how it is in Mollywood and any other cinema industry. Yes, that it is very much there in Sandalwood industry, especially actors and directors who hold a position of significance, who hold a position of power. Misuse of power is very much there, and hence this needs to be looked into, is what we are hearing from the actors. Another major fear, Nabila, among the young budding actors is that fear of their career getting stamped on if they really come out and name and shame those actors who have sexually harassed them. And that's why, under the condition of anonymity, they are requesting for a retired High Court judge to probe into the case, just like how it is being done in Bollywood. And that's why this morning we had a delegation of actors from the Kannada industry, right from actor Chetan to Shruti Hariharan, who was, who also came out during the Me Too movement. Neetu Shetty, who is also a popular Kannada actor and another senior Kannada writer. So this delegation met with the Chief Minister, requesting him to set up an independent committee to probe into cases of sexual harassment in Sandalwood industry.
All right, so we see Shruti Hariharan as well, Anaga, in the visual there that's come where they're meeting with the Chief Minister. So Shruti Hariharan had raised the first Me Too allegation in Sandalwood when that storm broke in, first in Bollywood, then it spread across even in Sandalwood. Shruti Hariharan had accused Arjun Sarja of misbehaving with her inappropriately, and at that time there was huge uproar. A case was registered, but then eventually the Karnataka police closed the case altogether. Shruti Hariharan refused to speak to the media after that, and she, years later, that was in 2018, now in 2024, she comes back to fight the same.
Well, that's right. Shruti Hariharan was one of the most prominent names in the sandalwood industry when the whole Me Too movement happened. She came out openly expressing, what really went down with her, with actor Arjun Sarja. And now, years later, she has decided to come forward, to meet the Chief Minister requesting for an independent committee to probe into the matter. We need to wait and watch how many more actresses do come forward. Will they really put their foot forward and name and shame the senior actors who have sexually harassed them? We need to wait and watch if that will really happen. But again, if it happens, Nabila, there is always that fear of their career getting sidelined, because at the end of the day, be it in cinema industry or any other industry, there is misuse of power. It is the ones with influence and power, money and muscle power, who get away easily. So all this fear is still there lingering in the cinema industry, and that's why junior artists especially, they're fearing to come out and really talk about this. So under the condition of anonymity, they are requesting for a committee to probe into this matter, and they are demanding that action must be taken against those molesters is what they're asking. And
Thanks very much.
One of the signatories in that petition that we saw is
who?
Persons in that petition was Kicha Sudeep as well.
All right. So yeah, of course, Kicha Sudeep has also signed this letter, and we know that all prominent faces within the industry have come together in a first, unprecedented indeed, and hugely welcoming. It's certainly something what the industry insiders must do, and this is indeed refreshing to see actors, directors, artists within the industry who are calling for a committee to ensure safe working environment for women in the Kannada film industry. Thanks very much, Anaga.